Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a shock pump for your mountain bike. A shock pump is perfect for your mountain bike to maintain the amount of pressure that is needed to give you a smooth ride when you're going over rough terrain. So let me show you the different parts of this shock pump. Here is the pressure release valve, the pressure gauge, and at the end of the hose it has the valve where you connect it to. To use the shock pump, first what you need to do is unscrew the air cap located on the left side of your fork. Underneath the cap you're going to find a Schrader valve. What you need to do is pull out the hose and connect the valve to the Schrader valve by screwing on the silver dial first. To depress in the pin to let in the air, next you need to screw the red dial. Now with it properly secured, you pull out the T-handle and you pump in the air. You always want to make sure that you connect the silver dial first properly before you screw into the red dial. If not, the pump will not be properly seated and you will not fill up the shock properly and you'll let all the air out of your fork. Once you've filled up the fork to the proper PSI, first you need to unscrew the red dial so that it does not press down the pin for the Schrader valve. Then unscrew the silver dial. Then you can disconnect the pump and connect to the hose back to the clip. Now remember to always check your manufacturer's fork's PSI recommended mount for your body weight. If you're interested in this shock pump, go ahead and check out the link I have down below in the description. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.